Hi, I'm Karen Frischman from KarenFrischman.com, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about Pilates and seasonality. It's an issue that every teacher in every studio I know face, and it doesn't matter where you are, but there will be points in your year where you are going to have a drop in clientele. For most people, it's usually right around the holidays, and then in the summer. I know that when I was first starting out, about a third of my clients would go on vacation at any point during the summer. So the big question is, because we're a service-based business, how do we deal with it? How do you not let it trip you up during the year? So I just wanted to talk a little bit about some strategies.